I was reading one of the daily newspapers recently and saw where for the year 2018, the Sports Development Foundation, SDF, is set to spend some $300 million on various projects across the island, including funding for some 44 national sporting bodies, community intervention projects through the Jamaica Cricket Association, and some $26 million to be spent specifically on track and field development meets. But you know, I want to make another maverick call this evening. With all due respect to the SDF, spreading the love and spreading the money, there can be no more urgent matter in all of Jamaican sports right now than the crisis with the football playing surfaces. And my suggestion is to find the money from within that money. And let us start with constructing even one first-class football surface. Make we keep it real. We cannot afford to fix 10 or 20 facilities. But for the wider football good, make we drop that elite surface at the Captain Burrell Center of Excellence, so at least the national team can prepare on a good surface. Let us make the sacrifice and make the start. If it's even if it broke some other sports foot, then we understand. Let us do it in tribute to the captain. Create the first world-class football surface in Jamaica at the Center of Excellence. And then we take it from there. It is said that the journey of 1,000 miles begins with the first step. And the first-class surface at the JFF Academy, I think, is a reasonable first step.